I've been exploring the Santander Banking app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Santander Banking app. Santander Banking app is a mobile application designed to give you easy, secure access to your Santander Bank accounts right from your smartphone or tablet. It allows you to manage your money, make payments, transfer funds, and keep track of your card activity anytime and anywhere, helping you stay in control of your finances on the go. When it comes to features, the app offers several useful tools like Quick Balance, which lets you check your account balances without logging in. You can deposit checks by simply taking a photo, set up and manage bill payments, and transfer funds between your accounts or to others quickly and securely. The app also includes card management options, such as activating or blocking cards, putting misplaced cards on hold instantly, and adjusting card settings to prevent unwanted transactions. Security is solid, with biometric login via Touch ID or Face ID and transaction confirmations through one-time passcodes to protect your accounts. Additionally, the app sends customizable alerts for low balances, transactions, and more, keeping you informed and in control. From my personal experience, the Santander app has been a useful companion for managing day-to-day banking. I appreciate how easily I can check my balances with Quick Balance when I'm in a hurry, and mobile check deposits have saved me several trips to the bank. The ability to immediately freeze a misplaced card from the app gave me peace of mind once when I thought I lost my card. It can be a bit slow to update sometimes, and occasionally the interface feels a little clunky compared to other banking apps I've used, but overall it handles everything I need without major issues. The security features make me feel confident about using it for important transactions. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the app sometimes suffers from minor bugs or delays in notifications, which can be frustrating if you rely on real-time updates. Not every feature is as streamlined or intuitive as some newer digital-only banks apps, and some users report occasional glitches. Also, while the app is packed with useful functions, navigating through the menus isn't always the smoothest experience. If you're used to more modern, minimalist banking apps, Santander's can feel a bit dated. Lastly, some advanced features require you to switch to the web platform for full functionality. Overall, if you're a Santander customer looking for a secure and fairly comprehensive way to manage your banking on the go, the Santander Banking app is worth downloading. It covers the essentials well with helpful features like Quick Balance and Instant Card Hold, even if it's not the sleekest app on the market yet. For everyday banking needs, it offers convenience and peace of mind right at your fingertips. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.